Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you what FileTract is and how to use it. FileTract is a web-based platform that uses AI to extract, analyze, and visualize financial transaction data. It's designed for business owners and finance teams who want to save time on manual data entry and get deeper insights into their financial performance. With FileTract, you can transform raw spreadsheets, receipts, and export into clean, structured reports in just a few clicks. Visit FileTract.com and click on Start Automating Insights. You'll be prompted to create a free account. No credit card required. After signing up, you'll land on the dashboard where you can start uploading financial data such as bank transactions, CSV files, or exported reports from platforms like QuickBooks or Xero. Click on the Upload button and select your financial document. FileTract's AI will automatically scan the document, categorize your transactions, and extract key information like merchant names, transaction types, amounts, and dates. This typically takes a few seconds. Once your data is processed, FileTract presents it in a clear, user-friendly format. You can review all entries, make edits, or add custom tags to track business expenses, client charges, or recurring payments. The platform also highlights unusual activity or growth opportunities using built-in analytics. After reviewing your data, you can export it as a report, save it to your account, or share it with your team or accountant. FileTract supports multiple export formats, making it easy to integrate with your existing workflow. And there you have a quick overview of FileTract and how it is used. Thanks for watching.